Today's lesson is animal alarm. Leo is sleepy. It's time to go to bed. But Leo is curious. He wants to see all the creatures that walks by his camp at night. Build an animal alarm. It'll turn on when the blue creature walks by. The color sensor. Okay. First, we need a hub. Next, we need these 4 bits and pieces. I don't know what they call. Next, we are going to put these bits and pieces like this inside here. I don't know why I always have to do this. Next, we need a big white base. Next, we need 2 of these pieces. I don't know what they call it. How do I put them? Wait. Hold on a second. Kind of confused about this. Let's just do it again. Next, now we need this purple piece and put it on here. Next, we need 2 of these white pieces and put it on top of the purple piece. Next, we need 2 of these red pieces and put it like this. Next, we're gonna put a little close. Next, we need a long yellow piece. Is this yellow? Oh, this is orange. Next, we need 2 of these black pieces. They should stick out. Never mind. Okay. Next, we need these green pieces. Skip 1 dot. Another one, the same thing. Next, we need one of this black white base. Next, we need 2 of these blue pieces. Next, okay. Never mind, I'm gonna just put it here. Okay. Now, a sensor. Now we need a sensor. Alright. Now we need 2 of these pieces here. Do whatever you want to. Yeah. Next, put the sensor. Whatever. That just, yeah. Okay. Whatever you want to. All fit. Next, we need another one. So we need to. That's my fault. Okay, that's my fault. Never mind. Never mind again. I think that's 200. Okay. Like that. Next, we need. These are difficult to find. There's only one left. Oh my. What is. Now to move this. Whatever. Do like this. Oh. This is different. I got this. Never mind about you. Next, maybe. Oh. Wait. Something was wrong with this little piece. You silly. Then we got it. Okay. Next. I'm going there. Next, we need a satellite. Where's the satellite? Just, yeah. Never mind about it. Now I'm stuck. This is good. Oh yeah. Boom. Blue. Two blues. Stick them together. Wait, I don't know how to do it. Wait, I think I need help. I don't know how to do it. I never. 2 of these pieces. Let me kill these eyes because I knew there was a bit. Never mind. When sensor B is color blue, satellite A turn on blue for 1 second. Sensor B when color is yellow, satellite A turn on yellow for 1 second. Sensor B when color is red, satellite A turn on red for 1 second. Sensor B when color is purple, satellite A turn on purple for 1 second. Sensor B when color is green, satellite A turn on green for 1 second. Let's try it. Blue. Now yellow. Red. Purple. Oh, it's yellow. Okay. Green. Green, green, green.